Hey guys, it's Mr. Jackson. Hopefully you're doing well. Wish I was with you guys, but hopefully everyone's staying safe. So what this video will be is to kind of show you what it will look like until we come back together. So as you can see here, we'll start down here with distance learning. That'll be at the bottom, so we'll always be down here in Canvas under your modules. And so we have a couple different things. So this was the directions, so this one really won't be that important anymore after we have today. But office hours. Office hours is pretty important because you can always go to office hours if you have questions. So what you could do here, right, go to office hours and you can put anything you want. You can reply to me, you can reply to someone else. And I get a notification when you guys put something in there, so that way I can respond right away. And so at these times, from 8 to 9:30 and 1 to 2:30, I'll be willing to respond right away to you guys. So that way I'll be able to try and help you. And again, I'll respond at other times, but during those, I'm going to be by my computer watching these, so I'll be able to respond. If you notice here, Cadence put something. I can easily go and put some type of response here. I can type it in, or I can, so you guys could embed an image. You can attach files through this, so insert media. You guys can also upload, if you just wanted to ask a question, you could say, hey, record, hey, Mr. Jackson, I'm not sure how this works. Can you help me with that? And then I can respond the same way. If verbal works better, I can just do exactly what I'm doing now and record a brand new video for you. So that's what we have there for our office hours. Then every single week, you guys will just get one assignment. And in the one assignment, you'll see the directions like this. So it's going to tell you the directions, and then you're going to have some tasks to do. So on this one, since we're kind of doing a review to get caught up, I already did the notes for us. So right here, I already had our notes already all said and done. In the future, I'll kind of go over do a mini lecture, just like I'm doing now, where I'll have it recorded, maybe show you a fun lab you can do at your house, something along those lines. So that's kind of what we're going to be looking for in the future. But this is kind of overall just our rough idea of what you'll do. So you should have these notes. After that, after you have some instruction, then you'll be asked to do an assessment. So for this week, you should go to Physics Classroom and complete the following concept builder. You have to email me what you have when you're done. So let's do this one together. So I can go here and launch concept builder like we've done before. And again, I'm trying to do everything that works on cell phones. So in case you're having issues, just always let me know. I think it works better on computers, but it should be able to work just fine on your cell phone. So make sure, type your name in. Let's give it a shot. Make sure you pay attention to the directions for what you'll get credit for. So here, a basketball is at rest on the gym floor. So if you say to yourself, man, I have no idea how this works. Well, that's the whole point of having our notes. So if we look at it, the types of energy that we have here are kinetic and gravitational. And so here's kinetic energy. And this, we bolded this and said it's really important, and it says you have kinetic energy if the object is moving. So I look here, a ball is at rest. So does it have kinetic energy? Is it moving? No, so it can't be that. Next, elastic potential. Well, we don't have elastic potential. And the last one, gravitational potential. So really, this concept builder is just these three pieces right here. So you have gravitational potential energy if the object has a height above 0. So if it has a height is all that matters. So it's at rest on the gym floor. If it's on the ground, it doesn't have a height. So I would say this is none of these. Check your answer. All right, let's do one more together. A cliff diver is at rest on a tall hill. Okay, again, go to your notes. Have your notes out when you do these types of things. So do I have kinetic energy? You have kinetic energy if it's moving. This says it's at rest, so it does not have kinetic energy. It's at the top of a tall cliff. So you have gravitational potential energy if you have a height. So This has a height because it's in a tall cliff, so it has gravitational potential. And go ahead and click there. And then you just continue to go. If you get stuck and you're struggling with one, maybe write out the question and ask me in the office hours. So come down here to office hours, and you could say, hey, Mr. Jackson, can you help me out with that? You could say, I need help with types of energy for a sprinter. What was it? Moving at a high speed. All right, and then you can post your reply. Right? Now, you may need to check there because I can reply to that, so that way you'll be able to see what I said. Because I may not just tell you the answer. I may try to work with you and kind of coach you through on how to do that. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Some of you guys have doing a phenomenal job. We are here to work with you guys in this. It's a difficult time, but again, wish I was with you guys. That's what we've been practicing all year, how to be resilient, how to work through challenges. We can see that this is life. We can't control this, but we can do our best, and we're here to be with you guys to do our best with what we got. Okay? Miss you guys. Hopefully see you soon.